They call me Kukule. This is a story of me, my ancestors, and my history. For many years, my ancestors and I have lived in the forests of Pyhä-Luosto National Park. Fire leads me to humans, and I'm not scared of them. Humans tell many stories. Some say I hold the soul of a hunter who passed away. Some say I offer a good sign to forest workers. Some say I'm sacred. They protect me and my family. They may kill others, but not us. For I am the soul bird. People don't forget easily about their stories. And when they come across me in the forest, feed me, and talk to me, generations after generations, I know that our friendship remains strong and sincere.
I'm considered to be one of the main attractions of the hike, as people look for me while walking in the area. Can you imagine that? They even put me on the logo of the park. How cool is that? Maybe that's the reason they get happy when they see me during their visit. I come and visit these people when they are hiking around the forest, mostly by the fireplace. Some of them even feed me while I approach them. Guess that's the reason why I have the image of being a fearless brave bird, because I don't hesitate to go near them. We share mutual joyfulness when we come across each other.
No kyllä täällä Lapissa melkein joka kerran kohdataan niitä. No ystävällisiä lintuja ja kauniita, ja mä luulen, että ne on tottunut ihmisiin.
They're not scared at all.
No.
No.
They are so brave, like catching food. Because any rice is on the ground, they came, without to be scared.
In earlier times, there were a lot of us, and I had many relatives in the south. But things have changed. I noticed the migration of some of my southern relatives towards our area as they were losing their place of living. Our human friends, especially those working in the forest, have changed their tools to be able to cut trees from larger areas. Even if these people are often friendly enough to plant new trees, I need the old forest to live, feed myself, and nest. For me, losing big forest means losing the connection with my relatives, as well as all living in separate areas. I have also noticed some changes in my living surroundings in recent decades. The winters are getting different, more extreme. One day it is very cold, the next day it is too warm and humid. This is causing me a lot of headache and sorrows because it makes my nesting almost impossible, and some of my babies have died very young because of that. Jays, my distant southern, bigger and bullying relatives, have moved more to the north where the climate is getting warmer. Having them in our neighborhood is causing us a lot of trouble, and I'm losing my close relatives all the time because of them. I really hope that humans will keep valuing us as much as they used to, and acknowledge that we are also part of their culture.
Juuri kun ajattelin, ettei se enää tulisi, se ilmestyi. Sillä oli tuttu lakki ja jalassa kuluneet saappaansa. Se meni laavulle ja sytytti tulen. Pyrähdin nuotiolle ja se alkoi puhua minun katsomatta. Se näki minut, vaikkei katsonut. Oli nähnyt jo ennen kuin ilmaannuin. Meillä on sellainen yhteys. On ollut jo vuosien ajan. Sinä päivänä kun yhteys syntyi, satoi ja ukkosti. Laavulla se sytytti tulen. Näytti siltä, kuin koko maailman suru olisi ollut pakkautuneena myttyyn, joka mies oli. Oli ja tärisi. Tärinä oli niin valtava, ettei se voinut johtua vain kylmästä. Minun kävi sääliksi. Lensin laavulle ja sujahdin verhon reunasta sisään. Miehen silmät olivat täynnä vettä. Vesi valui noroiksi pitkin poskia. Kädessään hän piti kuvaa pojasta. Laskeuduin miehen olalle. Halusin sanoa, ettei ollut hätää. Suru menisi ohi, kun aika kuluisi. Mutta enhän minä osannut puhua. Mies kuivasi kasvonsa ja kysyi, sinäkö se olet? En ymmärtänyt. Lennähdin laavun penkille ja heilautin pyrstöäni. Sitten päästin hiljaisen äänen. Voi kunpa saisin hymyn nousemaan miehen kasvoille. Niin tapahtui. Mies hymyili ja laavu täyttyi valosta.
For this video about birds.
Love birds. I just love birds so much.
It's my passion.
Kukele.
That's my favorite one.